to watch the jumping crocs. See how this turns out. They come out of the water and get the food. Yeah. Maybe we'll get some food on the way too. So here are the wetlands. About to go do the croc tour, the lookout, so check it out. See ya. Crocky, look at this beaut right here. So we're here at the river cruise, and we'll start here in about 20 minutes.
Hi gents.
How's it going?
Yeah, good, welcome. How are you? Yeah, guys. And even though it's one of his girlfriends, they absolutely hate each other. Now crocodiles in general, they are very intimidated of each other. So you can see she's a little bit apprehensive. Usually, I mean, they know we got food. Their first priority is food, so they usually come straight towards the boat. She's hesitating a little bit, so she can obviously sense something that we can't.
She's pretty big.
Like I say, fully grown female. Females don't grow too much bigger than that. Chop's probably a little bit too small for her, I reckon. Now they are very opportunistic feeders. Just like you can't be bothered, but she's just waiting for the right opportunity to try and snatch it for free. So you see the way they get the nose up in the air, they get that tail vertical underneath them and they propel themselves up quite easy. There is a lot of power in that tail, the same way they propel themselves forward, once they get vertical, like I say, propel themselves up.
That's neat.
Now the crocodile this size has still got about, I mean, like I say, only half the size of what males grow. Males grow a hell of a lot bigger. Our two biggest males are over a tonne. But a croc this size has still got about 2 tonne of downward crunch on the jaw. 66 interlocking teeth. Now once that mouse closes, get hold of closes with 2 hands, there's absolutely no strength whatsoever over it. Come on mate, nice. So we're going to give one more, we'll give her a reward, a little pork chop. Nice big one, good girl.
Jeez, she scared the crap out of me.
You never know he's there, but I guarantee he's there.
Holy crap.
That's good.
I didn't get it. Can you see? Yeah.
Now he's not going to explode from underneath the water, as you've already seen. We sort of have to get his nose on the surface first and then try and work a jump out of him. So, by the looks of it, he's going to be a bit of a pain. They all have their own attitudes and their own sort of personalities individually. They all have different moods individually, actually, every day. He's not playing the game.
God, he is huge.
Well, we didn't even miss. Margarine. Yeah, she's an old duck. This one, she's more cunning than the rest of them. More patient than me anyway, that's for sure. I could look at 2 shots for you. She only usually gets one. Oh. Take the photo or what? Commitment there. Usually people put the camera down in their lap, take a photo on the floor.
Yeah.
Elegance, is that the word?
Should be in the Commonwealth Games.
Yeah.
Oh.
One more. Go, mate. Nice big one. Let's go. Half-hearted. So I'm just going to spin around you and see if we get that stubby leg up. Back right leg. Back left leg, sorry. Clumsy today, isn't she? Stubby leg. Oh, she got one shot, that's all. Very angry.
Jeez.
Very aggressive. We call him Stumpy because he's been missing his front left leg, and last year he had his foot ripped off the front arm. So he's got 2 stubs right now. How did you must name?
Oh, he's big. Oh, dude. See this big boy. God, he's huge. How much does he weigh?
Oh, he'd be over half a ton, I reckon. Now, our biggest Croc aggro, he'd be about 1.2 ton, I reckon. This guy, he's only a bit. Oh, hang on. Get it back, mate. Now, this guy, he's only just over 4 metres now. Our biggest Croc's 5. He's over 5 metres now. We haven't actually weighed him, obviously, but compared to crocodiles that they've caught in the past, the same length and done study on, they say that a 5 metre croc's 1.2 tonne. This guy would probably be maybe 3/4 of a tonne. I reckon that's just a guess, but obviously my guess is as good as yours until we have him on a set of scales. Now he'd have about 3.5 to 4 tonne of crunch on the jaw. Now you'd even a croc this size, once his mouth's closed, you'd hold it closed with 2 hands. No strength at all over that jaw. Oh. I'll tell you what, the way he flicked his tail, then he's done that to me before in the mud bank and covered everyone in mud, and I could not believe it. As I looked up, the first lady I made eye contact with, she's wiping mud out of her teeth like that. I felt terrible. So you see his stumpy legs, you can sort of have a look. Got a couple of chunks out of his tail. He's definitely a bluer, this crocodile. He's been in some pretty decent fights. And he's getting angry, which is good. That's what we want. But he still is a dominant male up here, so he's winning the challenges that he's been having. There you go, nice and close. Like I say, I mean, even though it's a jumping crocodile cruise, I like to get him up on the bank so you can have a look at him, stir him up a little bit. He's getting angry. There you go. You're getting angry, mate, that's good because that means you'll jump. So what we're going to do is we're going to back out and we'll see if we can get a jump out of him now that he's all fired up. He hates me.
huge, and that's a small one. That's a small one.
It's not the biggest jumper in the river, but he will give it a crack most of the time. Give it a good hard crack, mate. Come on then, up you get. Get up, come on. Come on, you can do better than that. Working too much on that back. Not a bad effort in the old fella. I would say he gives it a good crack.
I know.
Sleep well tonight, mate.
So that was really, I think that was worth it. So the croc that got up on the beach, that was actually a small one. And just can't believe that they get that big. So I think our next stop will be hopefully the sports store. I'll show you that too. Stay tuned. So we're here traveling, and on the way we see these groves. I don't know what kind of tree they are, but here, let me show you. Guess I'm gonna have to figure it out for myself, maybe. Oh well. So I just saw a sign of what it actually is. They're mango groves. So I did not know that's what they looked like.
Quick edit there.
I know. That was a very, very quick find for me.